Hey y'all, Nathan Rice here, just going on a walk and wanted to tell you about something that I've noticed recently is my guests will, I don't know what it is, it's like a knee-jerk reaction or something like that, but it's fun. And my guests will either send me a message or call me up and say something like, hey, what's going on with this dog? And that would be the end of it. Or one guy said, hey, the mattress is inclining so that the head is lower than the feet. And it's really interesting because when I followed up with both of these individuals, they both said, hey, the situation resolved itself. The dog stopped barking, or I laid on the bed and it was just the way the lighting was or something. It made it look lopsided. But in both cases, I offered something to these people. I called them up immediately and offered, hey, I'll call the owner of that dog and see what we can do, or I'll drive over there and even switch out the bed. And I feel like they just wanted to know that I got their back, that I'm gonna take care of them as a host. So if you get odd requests like that or anything, just be lay on the hospitality, be super helpful, and let people know that you're there to support them and you're gonna help them with whatever it is. And I think it just makes people feel better. I followed up with both of these guys the next day, and they were fine. They were thankful, and that was it. I didn't have to do anything. I just needed to touch base with them. So Nathan Rice here with the Airbnb course. Hope this helps fill in a little color of the day-to-day stuff and how to interact with guests. Let me know if you have any questions at all about anything Airbnb. Have a good day.